Hello and welcome to the practical magic of frugal living, and today I'm going to share with you my homemade and very economical version of goddess dressing. You will need natural peanut butter, soy sauce, a sweetener. Oil is optional, but you absolutely need vinegar, parsley, and fresh lemon, cosmic lemon if you have it, and parsley. The first ingredient I like to put in is the vinegar. It keeps the peanut butter from sticking to the bottom. If you are not a huge vinegar fan, you're going to want to mix this 50-50 water to equal a half a cup. Or if you're cheap, you save money by mixing it with water. The next thing you want to add is the all-natural peanut butter. That's a half a cup. Traditionally, this dressing uses a tahini. It's delicious with tahini, but it's just fine with natural peanut butter. Sometimes I mix it 50-50 tahini and natural peanut butter. Next, you want to add in a quarter cup of diluted soy sauce. I found it to be too salty if you use straight soy sauce. So it's a quarter cup, half soy, half water. Then you add your lemon, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So this dressing is actually healthy as well. You put in either 3 cloves of garlic or a nice generous pour of garlic powder. You decide. You do need garlic for this recipe though, but if you garlic, go crazy. If you're not sure, just add a little bit. Then you want to add your sweetener. I'm using maple syrup, but you can use sugar or agave nectar or whatever you have on hand, but it does need a bit of sweetness. I love parsley. I love to use about a quarter cup of fresh parsley for this recipe. But if you have dried, you can use that as well. I would only use a tablespoon or 2 if it's dried. Then you mix it up. One of the best investments I ever made was an immersion blender. I love it. And there you have it. This dressing is delicious. I never find it on sale, so I decided to go see if I could make it. I think it costs maybe 50 or 75 cents for a batch. In the stores, it's between $3 and $5. When my daughter was little, I could put this on anything and she'd eat it. I'm talking vegetables, anything. So I hope you try this recipe out and you like it, and thank you for watching this edition of the practical magic of frugal living. And if you like it, please subscribe.